Have you signed up for our free 5 days e-course or ebook upgrade plan? What are you waiting for? We have lots in store for you. Take advantage of our free 5 days online courses. This includes 25 creative PowerPoint presentation templates, and you'll walk away with tips and tricks to make your presentation captivating, outstanding, and remarkable. Your viewers will certainly remember what your presentation was about and even have them looking forward to seeing more. Don't delay, get signed up using our Google Forms link below.